The lightweight Protecta 8-foot aluminum confined space tripod is easily transported and can be set up by only one worker. You can attach one or two mechanical devices to the tripod. These tripods are built to meet OSHA and ANSI standards. Leg locks are built into the head to ensure the legs stay locked in place. Swing them out until they snap into position. You will know when they are locked when you hear the audible click in the articulated head, and the pins lie flat after locking. Fast and easy detent pins allow precise height settings and adjustments. Index numbers are marked on the telescopic legs to aid in height setting. Simply pin in place and lock on all three legs. The skid-resistant foot pads will adjust to sloping surfaces. The confined space winch for this system features fast and simple installation. It features 50 feet of galvanized cable and has a man-rated capacity of 310 pounds. Attach the winch and the mounting bracket to any of the three legs. The detent pins are inserted into the telescopic tripod legs on the bottom and the top of the bracket as shown. You can connect the second mechanical device like a three-way self-retracting lifeline if necessary. Attach the handle as shown and lock it in place with the adjustable mounting screw. The confined space pulley features anodized aluminum construction, a pivoting sheave pulley guide, and includes one carabiner. The pulley is recommended for use with the 8-foot aluminum Protecta tripod. The winch or SRL lifeline cable is fed over the roller as shown. Connect the pulley to the tripod eye-bolt anchor point with an approved carabiner capable of supporting a minimum of 3,600 pounds. Once the tripod is positioned over the entry point, attach the snap hook to the dorsal D-ring of your full body harness. Remove the manhole or entry cover and descend into the shaft. Never operate the tripod without the leg chains in place, unless it is used in an emergency situation where they may interfere with a rescue. Rotate the crank handle counterclockwise to lower a worker into the confined space. To raise a worker, rotate the handle clockwise. Be sure to apply light tension to the lifeline at all times while feeding it off the drum. If you don't, this will prevent the cable from winding evenly on the drum, which will eventually reduce the reliability of the lifeline. When the worker has exited the confined space, immediately close up the entrance and disconnect them from the lifeline. Taking down the tripod is as easy as setting it up. First, remove the winch and pulley system and collapse the telescopic legs by removing the detent pins. Replace them when the tripod is at its lowest setting again. Pull the locking pins in the head upwards and swing the legs inward towards the center. Finally, wrap the safety chain around the legs and store the unit. If you have any questions on the use, care, application, or suitability for use of this safety equipment, please contact Capital Safety for assistance.